In fact, according to Usenix, more recently, they had actually tested out 576,000 different applications, and they found that 20 to 25% of the time, the AI assisted coding tool just randomly pulled non existent library names and versions and started trying to install them in the application. On the one hand, non existent is probably fine, but that's really just a hallucination. But it also, in many cases, installs versions of libraries that are insecure with several major security issues and exploitable issues. And this is where it becomes a problem because over the last year, you would have seen an explosion in the amount of supply chain security attacks that have been happening. And I would say that with vibe coded tools, that's likely to be much higher because today your vibe coder tool might just pull a version of that library which is vulnerable and is actively exploited on the internet. So not only is there a code security implementation problem, and not only is there a secure architecture implementation problem, there is also a huge supply chain impact to vibe coded applications that you may not be aware of. Now, fortunately, you have some approaches to deal with this, right? First of all, you need to leverage certain capabilities and skills within the IDE that you have in order to help you build out more secure code by default. You can use skills, you can use MCPs, you can use tools. These are things that you can do in order to protect yourself. Similar thing is something you can do with supply chain security as well. You can leverage skills and tools in order to achieve some of this stuff. For software architecture related issues, also you need to basically write some skills or use some skills in order to achieve a consistent type of security architecture in your application. But overall, one of the things that I just want to say is that vibe coded applications give you tremendous capability to ship stuff. They give you a lot of power and you're able to ship stuff at unprecedented pace. But you're also shipping security vulnerabilities at that same unprecedented pace. So it's very important for you to understand that when you're dealing with vibe coded tools, it's the whole notion that not knowing anything about coding or knowing very little about what code you're writing or the security issues you're dealing with is not really necessary because vibe coding really takes care of the whole thing. That's simply not true. And I want to remind you that this is your code that's probably running important operations for you or your organization. It's very important to think about security and act proactively before this becomes a massive problem that balloons into security debt.